Day 2 of our Kigali Study Tour took us to Iyange Industries Limited, one of Rwanda's leading names in the dairy industry. Founded with a mission to transform Rwanda's milk sector, Iyange started as a small processing plant and has grown into a state-of-the-art dairy production facility committed to quality, sustainability, and innovation. Upon arrival, we were warmly welcomed in the company's conference hall. Here the team took us through Iyange's inspiring history, a story of resilience and strategic growth. From its early days sourcing raw milk from local farmers to becoming a trusted brand across Rwanda and beyond, Iyange has stayed true to its core values: quality, integrity, and customer satisfaction. After the presentation, we geared up in lab coats for an exclusive tour of the factory. Inside, we witnessed the heart of Iyange's operations, a highly efficient production line that combines modern technology with strict quality control measures. Every step of the process, from milk reception and pasteurization to packaging, is carefully monitored to meet international food safety standards. The company's advanced quality control laboratory ensures that every product leaving the factory is fresh, nutritious, and safe for consumption. What makes Iyange stand out is its commitment to empowering local farmers through fair partnerships, while delivering high-quality dairy products to consumers. This sustainable approach not only strengthens Rwanda's agricultural value chain, but also supports food security in the region. After an insightful session and a first-hand look at world-class dairy processing, we stepped outside for a group photo, a perfect way to capture this memorable learning experience. Iyange Industries isn't just a factory. It's a model of innovation, sustainability, and excellence in Rwanda's food industry. This was day 2 of our Executive Study Tour in Kigali, a deep dive into Rwanda's thriving agro-processing sector. Stay tuned for more highlights as we continue exploring Africa's business transformation.